Late August in Yellowstone is a masterclass in deception. 1 minute, you're soaking in the crisp summer air. The next, the mountains decide to change the rules. Standing here on the banks, you can feel the temperature plummet in seconds as the horizon turns a menacing shade of iron. And out there, in the middle of it all, is a reminder of just how small we really are. Look closely. That tour boat is caught right in the teeth of it. What started as a scenic cruise has suddenly transformed into a grueling battle against a flash gale. The wind is screaming across the water, kicking up relentless, violent waves. You have to feel for the skipper right now, gripping the helm, calculating every crest as they make the long, agonizing trek back to the safety of the Bridge Bay Marina. But honestly, you have to feel for the passengers even more. Inside that cabin, white knuckles are gripping armrests. Every pitch, every sudden drop. It's a roller coaster no one bought a ticket for. There's no doubt a few green faces on board right now, praying for solid ground. Yellowstone Lake doesn't ask for permission. It just commands respect. Hang on tight.